tip. It's Cokie Nation. Yo, Took Swag One. Yo, Dirty, you dead there? Yo, GH Gaza. Thief man cut the laugh. Cause I see they about feel they watch them in a glass. Waiting na shika gari in a name on kudi. Site there ya wada bako chini me kudi. Hey, if you mad go act 110. And if you just got shot on your flat chest. Ha, na chigaba rap Obama. I know they like your mambo. You the red there at the sea council. Damn bata gonna land in the Toronto. Just a little nigga all the way from Zongo. Dub nation a bayana commandoro. Always dressed black on black like I'm Zorro. Cause me a hero, so go blow my Basoro come a horror. Them mother rappers fear me cause I'm too raw. Easy body Italy, where you there top?
They say dream big, so I tackle all I wish. So one day me and my niggas we gon' be rich. I've been through shit, so I had to clean myself with a lot. So my family never knew it. Something comes spoon fed. Cause I'm living with my dad and my mom, no lie. This is true shit, and the truth is I did it for a reason and the reason is I did it for my little kid. My baby never could have seen me in jail. I had to give up a lot, I gave up being in hell. Some little things I was doing had me sleeping in cells. I was all about the money, wasn't giving a damn. I'm still not giving a damn, just how I'm using my brain. God first, see the picture of pain. I go perfect, that is why I'm sick in the game. Real nigga flow, market, I'm 100%. I never pretend. Who's the same people my tank? In same the same, cry I kinda same. Eban the same, now my dear bit doing chain. Now I'm fair way to say what the end woman chain. Listen, I started life nothing better like you see like this. I have hustle in my eyes, so I leave like this. I breathe like this, cause God make me leave like this. And I ain't never going back to the street like this.
Why am I looking for love in the trap? Why am I looking for God on the map? I sound like I'm telling more than just fact. With the style of Rick, the ruler rhyme schemes like Rakim and the younger Pac. Only I can make you more than just clap. Give me the loop, give me your passwords. I wanna take all that you got. I grew up a happy child, all thanks to God. The world is beautiful, but we keep on fucking it up. It's pretty crazy, yo. Shine your eyes and get trapped by a lady, bro. I know be sent, but I ain't evil, though. Life's a game with no need to rush. If I'm higher than you, then just try to reach me up. Dead niggas wanna live with us. Them niggas are all evil us. But if it comes down to it, then no go feast on the evil us.
The sky is serious.
That's what you are thinking. The vibe is deep and it got bad people sinking. Spit and get bad people thinking. You can't see me competing like Messi on the USA swim team. More money, more troubles. Where I come from, we all struggle. We cause trouble. Sleeping with the daughter of the constable. I know my lyrics make you all uncomfortable, but chill.
Let the vibe dawn on you.
I ain't fucking mom yet, but I'm the motherfucker. The only G around here and can't be another. I know my name contradicts to my hair color. I pop bottles and they pop collars. I sail boat on the desert, prophecy to the prophet. I murder ciphers for the record. I'm a mente, may you maybe. I'm a you dudes, may you make it. I do this now for recognition. Rock God picture just as spitting. You niggas sold out, that was your own decision. You and your whole legion. You claim top, but you only see blood when you watch a horror movie.